Do you want to read TikTok messages without the other person knowing you've opened the message and seen it? Then I'm going to show you how to turn off that seen option. But before we start, if you're new here, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one. The first step is to open the TikTok application on our iPhone or our Android device and navigate to your profile page. From here, our job is to access the TikTok settings. So tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. Then, Settings and Privacy. When we get to our main settings page, we'll scroll down and locate the Privacy option and tap on it. Inside the Privacy settings, scroll down to the Interactions section where you'll find Direct Messages. Go ahead and tap that. You'll now see the Read Status option at the top under Message Preferences. This is exactly what we're looking for. All you need to do is toggle off the Read Status switch. Once it's turned off, people won't see when you've read their messages. Just remember, this setting works both ways, meaning you also won't be able to see when others have read your messages. But that's about it for this video, everyone. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.